Howdy-ho, friends! It is time to sharpen my machete. She is freaking dull. This is the CRKT Have a Chance machete, and I use the heck out of it. Before we get started, it is time for the all-important disclaimer. I am not an expert in any way, shape, or form on sharpening knives, machetes, or axes. Basically, what I'm going to be showing you is stuff I've learned through the years, of course, trial and error. First thing we do is we need to clean this little guy off. I coat it with WD-40 after I use it each time to make sure it doesn't rust. As you can see, this blade has been well used. So we're going to clean it with just a little good old rubbing alcohol just to make sure anything like tree sap or dirt or nothing like that is on the blade. We don't want to get our stone. No, that's not too bad. Our stone all gunked up. Next thing I'm going to do is dry it off camera. There we go. I'm going to take my fingers and carefully put them along the edge. And yeah, she is dull. Basically what I'm looking for is any big nicks, scratches, or cuts in it. No chips or nothing like that. Next, I'm feeling to see if the edge has rolled over. Basically, it just kind of folds over on you if you hit something you're not supposed to, like a knot in the tree. And I don't feel anything, so that feels really good. Got some buildup right here we need to take off. Quick tip: when you're cleaning your blade, best thing to do is put it down on a flat surface and wipe down, not up, so you don't cut yourself, especially when it is very sharp. Okay. Yep, I got it off there. We are good. For the sharpening, we are going to use the Smith's. Try saying that real fast 3 times. 3-sided stone. We've got our coarse, medium, and fine. Basically, the coarse is for cleaning your blade up or reshaping the edge. Once you get it to where you want it, you really never use it again. You want to stick with the medium or fine. Now, it's a little different on a knife, but we're not doing that today. Now, seeing how dull this is, we're going to have to start out with the coarse. A lot of times, it's a good idea, get on there, to go ahead and soak this little guy in water so the stone fills up with moisture. It just helps to get the debris off. So we're simply going to pull this little guy across here, and I'm going to make sure you got everything on. Okay, it's good. We're slowly getting there. I need to give it the paper test real quick, just to see how bad off we are. It feels like this side of the edge is trying to roll on me. Let's find out real quick. Yeah, we got, oh, what did I just do? I almost poked a hole through my monitor. Anyway. Only I could do something like that. Go figure. Anyway, we're getting there. What we're looking for is we're getting close. You see how the paper's tearing right there? You don't want it to tear. You want it to have a nice, smooth, clean cut like that and no tearing. Now, this is my food prep knife. I love this thing. Anyway, let's go back to the stone. Okay, we're going to do the paper test again. I think I've got it where I want it. I got a piece of paper. Oh yeah, that is getting much better. Time to flip her over to the medium side. But first I'm going to clean the blade again. Make sure there's no debris left on it. Now we need to start paying attention on how we drag the blade through the stone. I want to keep it very consistent so we don't accidentally fold the edge. Oh yeah, it's very close. Okay. We're switching over to the fine side. Not bad. She's still got a little curve going. Let's see if we can't take that out with a strap. See, not make a mess. Oh my God, my poor desk. Whew, I'm fighting a little bit of a cold, friends. I apologize. Oh, I'm gonna go through one more time. What the heck was that? Oh well. Still, it'll be okay. All right. I don't feel any folds. Now, when you do this, you do not apply a lot of pressure at all. You basically just light pressure. You're polishing the edge up and getting off any pieces that are attached. Well, that didn't sound right, did it? You kind of get the idea. And I'm pretty sure in the comment section, people are going to be saying, yep, I'm doing it wrong. That's a strong possibility. And yes, with the knife, the direction you pull it does matter. With the machete, not so much. I think she's still a little dirty. I'm going to run it through one more time. One more test, and I think we are good. Oh, yeah. She's still tearing a little bit on the top side, but you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. I'm pretty happy with what we got. So she is definitely sharp and ready to go again. I mean, look how shiny. Can you see it? There we go. Next, and this is the most important thing of all, and try not to make a huge mess, we need to recoat this with WD-40. Now, if this was a food prep knife, don't use WD-40. It's toxic. Just don't do it. Use I like extra virgin extra virgin olive oil. Works the best. I'm just going to put a very generous coat of WD-40 on there. And I mean generous. And then we're done, friends. Nice and sharp and ready for her next outing. Any suggestions, questions that I can actually answer? Remember, I have no clue what I'm doing. Or anything else, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section. Like always, friends, thanks for watching.